Good morning. We present Minds and Machines, a tale of artificial dilemmas. My name is พันธิราพร ดอนสกุล
And my name is Ravishnan Bangon. We are lawyer from team ออนนี่และผู้ติดตาม Nowadays, there's a lot of digital technology, but in light of our time, we would like to choose the topic of artificial intelligence because we think that it has significance and direct impact due to the intellectual property law. And the story in which we are going to tell everyone today is the story of our clients, where Junie here is the developer and investor of Bunny AI. Winnie is the user of Bunny AI using it to generate a work, and both are arguing who acquires copyright. And Annie here, at the same time, her work was infringed by Bunny AI. She's very upset and now is fighting who is liable and whether the AI always is a problem for intellectual property law era or it has some benefit will be discussed in this video. As it seems here in this scenario, Junie and Winnie are arguing of who owns copyright. And before answering the question, I would like to draw your attention to this landmark case. Where the case of monkey selfie here, a monkey named Naruto snapped this famous monkey selfie. And on the right side, Diary of the Dawn, it is the comic book in which the picture here was created by AI named Midjourney. Both cases are ruled totally the same, that it is not a product of human authorship, therefore there's no copyright protection. Junie then asked further, he owns computer program, but why the product of AI is not the product of human authorship? And then, why should he invest in AI if he gain nothing at all? Starting from the second question, in creative industry, the artificial intelligence was used to deal with the non-creative and time-consuming tasks, resulted in the reduction of cost and optimize the productivity. And for the first question, the computer program and algorithm is totally different. So compared to this scenario where the teacher instructs the student to draw a picture, the teacher instruction is similar to the computer program, but what is inside the student's thought, how they design, how they want to convey their creativity is equivalent to the algorithm. Therefore, the product of AI is the product of the algorithm and not of human creativity. But is it always true? We will see. I would like everyone to follow me in this scenario. Let's say that this is me. I thinking of a flying cat eating instant noodle like the picture in the cloud here. But because I'm very lazy to draw it, and I'm a very good developer, so I can train AI to replicate my thought. When I instruct the AI to draw the picture of a flying cat eating instant noodles, the final outcome is totally exactly the same as my thought. Can this final outcome considered to be the product in which is expression of my idea along with the creativity of myself in which I own copyright? Interesting. And how about the pattern? We would like to extend the concept, where here, if we look in section 11, if employee have used the means, report, data from the employer to create one invention, employers acquire right to apply for patent. But how about the AI? If developer gives a specific database and AI have used means, report, data to be the basis of invention, will developer acquire the same right or not? And we'll move to the case of infringement.
So, about the problem of infringement here, as you can see that Bunny AI reproduced Annie's work without asking for her consent. Who has to be liable in this case, whether the developer or the user? I would like to present the concept of the mirror between the acquisition and the liability. It is quite clear that Bunny AI is not a person. So basically, the work that generated by Bunny AI does not have copyright protection at all. But if such work infringe the other work without asking for his or her consent, who has to be liable in this case, whether the user or the developer? The case is similar to the case of trademark, as you can see that if the user ordered the AI to create a trademark for him, but such trademark counterfeits or imitate the other trademark without asking for his or her consent. According to Trademark Act Section 108 and Section 109, the law only stipulates that any person. It is quite clear that because AI is not a person, so basically who has to be liable in this case, whether the user or developer. And if we further think that if the developer has developed the AI to the stage which called singularity stage, that means AI can generate the work by self-awareness, meaning that there is no need for human intervention at all. So basically there is no user in this case, but there's only the one person, it is the developer, who has to be liable in this case, the developer or not. Apart from the problem here that I highlighted, I would like to focus about the benefits of AI. First, the trademark. We can use AI to help the registrar to detect the requirement of trademark under Section 6 and also to detect the confusingly similar under Section 13. And also we can also use AI in terms of the copyright. For example, GPT-0 can be used to distinguish between the work that created by human and the work that generated by AI. And also we can also train the AI to be a person with ordinary skill in terms of the inventive step important as well. This is overall our presentation. We really affirms that AI has so many benefits. However, there still be the question that we raise along the way, and we really affirm to answer this question in the future. So this is overall our presentation, Mind and Machine, a tale of artificial dilemmas. Thank you.